Hey veterans, I'm Travis Studdard, Veterans Disability Attorney, today talking to you still about the presumption of soundness. And I've already done a couple of videos on this, so you can check those out as far as what that concept means and how it may be applied in your VA disability claim or appeal. But I want to talk to you about what happens when you have been denied VA disability compensation or service connection for a disability because VA claims that it was pre-existing your military service. How long do you have to appeal that decision? Excuse me. In that particular situation, it may be that the normal rules don't apply for you to challenge that decision. Now, normally, again, if VA gives you a denial, you have 1 year to appeal that decision in order to maintain your effective date, which again is the date of entitlement to benefits. Now, you can always do that later and reopen that claim with new material evidence, but again, the effective date would be from the date you reopened. But I'm here to tell you that it may be possible for you, even years later, to challenge a VA ruling that denied service connection because of what they allege is a pre-existing condition. And that's because the presumption of soundness is a legal concept. There are facts that have to be considered, but if they misapply that or don't apply that particular provision of the law correctly, then that can be a type of error that can be appealed or challenged many years later. So keep that in mind if you see this and you were denied a long time ago and you know it wasn't pre-existing or it wasn't found on your entrance exam, but they denied you anyway. That's something you probably want to look into because VA may owe you considerable back benefits over that time period. So again, that's a situation you may want to reach out to us. Something VA is probably not going to likely give to you without really a hard-fought fight. So again, presumption of soundness, if misapplied, can remove any sort of deadline for challenging that, which again usually is 1 year. You can do it many years later because it's a legal error in that particular situation. So if that's your situation, again, you want us to look at it, reach out to us. Our website, winyourvetclaim.com. We've got articles that explain the presumption of soundness. We have videos as well. We're trying to give all this to you as free information to see what you can do on your own. If that gets to be too much to you, for you, then we're here to help and see what we can do. So reach out to us and we'll be happy to take a look at it. So again, it may never be too late if you've been denied on a pre-existing condition. So just keep that in mind. Thanks. Have a great day. Thanks for your service, and come back and check out our other videos.